up, guys? Here we are again, another week. We do have another Monster Fest. Clawdeen. She's stunning. She is. It has the same information on the back as Frankie did last week. So yeah, let's just get her out of the box. Standard. Still these horrible tabs. Ow! I always feel like I'm slicing your finger on these because of the plastic. But can maybe think of a way to use without the plastic, maybe. I'm not gonna show you, but if you could see behind you where all my rubbish is, because I literally just throw them, and then once I've finished filming everything that I want to film, I collect up all the rubbish and get rid of it then. Anyway, this is Clawdeen. I love a bit of Clawdeen. Okay, obviously Clawdeen is meant to be the main character of Monster High G3. That's the poster. So we've got the Hisfits. They perform at Monster Fest. Sorry, I've just noticed in the show the werecat. Oh, I can never remember which one's the were, which one's which. With the pink. Has short hair. Which is the other one that has short hair? One of them has short hair, and in this poster they both have long hair. Everybody has long hair. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why I got sidetracked with that thought. Let's get Clawdeen out of the box. Now, I have had these dolls for a while, like a hot minute. They've just been sat under my desk, waiting to be opened. I can tell you now, they've been waiting. What is this? Come on, let go. We have a bag. I feel like with each doll line that comes out, it just becomes more and more chaotic getting them out the box. Like that's just pulled one of the tabs directly out of their head, which I don't mind because I hate the tabs, but man, last one. There we go. Let go of her hair. Oh, it's her hand. Freedom! She looks like she's saying freedom! Anywho, this is Clawdeen. Oh, that's meant to be on her leg. Look at them. Oh, them. Anyway, just getting rid of the extra elastics, like on her necklace. Or not. That face is brilliant. That headpiece is brilliant. This whole outfit is brilliant. There we go. Okay. Start from the top, work our way down. Look at that headpiece. the flowers, the crystals on top, the crescent moons, the flowers. I love the fact that they've gone with purple for her hair. It's a very festive bit of shading. Not much though. So like 2-3 hairs. Well, I just pulled that one out because it was too long, and that one. 5 hairs max. That's it. That's good. That's good. Anyway, yeah. Bit of shedding, bit of chaos back here. Nothing a good wash and comb through, can't sort. Look at the face. Look at that makeup. With that gold. So she's got a line of purple, a line of gold, and a line of like a raspberry. What is this on your head? Oh, she got baby hairs. She got glitter in her baby hair. She got gems on her baby, in her baby hairs. So you can see it. Right on my finger there. That's meant to be a gem. There's some up there. Okay. Okay. I'm, just from the face alone, I'm going to say she's a better doll than the Frankie and the Draculaura before. This one is a better one. The crystals in the necklace as well tie in with the headpiece, even her belt, which she's always got a belt, a 3-piece belt. But on majority of dolls that she has, there's a belt. This one's cool. The t-shirt is a very simple bandeau top. The jacket is meant to be like a faux leather with these organza sleeves that have constellations on them, and then the fur trim that matches the boot trim as well. Those constellation patterns go through onto the skirts, which, to be fair, they've used a really nice ombre effect and then frayed the edging to go with it. I don't know whether these are meant to be like socks or just leg cuffs, because obviously it's not socks because it doesn't go through all the way through on her shoes, or whether it's just meant to be on top of the boot, but obviously it comes down. But they're cute. They line the boot, and then there's the boot itself. Cheeky little calf high open toe. That's the bottom as well. Yeah, it's like a, what's that word? I want to say like tiger, cheetah print, one of them. It's cheetah. Anyway, it's a cat print. And then it has the crescent moon and a paw print on it as well. She's the best one compared to the 3 we've opened so far. She's the best. But I feel like we knew that going forward because of the when the photos were leaked. She was the best one, art wise, design wise. Okay, so we've seen the poster. We do have a bag which is covered in elastic bands. That's the bag. A little geometrically painted moon and lion. They are indented as well, so it does have a texture to it. Tassels, not real, are plastic, but it is what it is. Like, it's got a zip on the back with the crescent moons and a paw print. It's not a bad bag. You're not getting anything in it, but it's not bad. It's like, look. Oh, can I bend her on? Yeah. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Glasses, circles with studs and crescent moons. Throughout the whole thing. I'm not gonna put them on. I feel like she has too much going on right now. We'll move her forward though. She's at least in the shot. There we go. I'll put her there. Put her there. Admission ticket. I love the fact that the cameras are personalised to each person. And even on the back, they've got the details of the screen. So yeah, love that. Okay, I'm just in the food. Right. Like Frankie before, you do have the admission bracelet. It's purple this time. And then we do have, it's just a belt buckle bracelet, but it's in gold. So they're cute. Clawdeen's bottle. Drink looks cool. Like, it's got a paw print on top. In my head, it's like a slushie. And it's got these little divots along the handle. But yeah, that's a cool one, and it's a good size. Like, it's a good size. I feel like the accessories are coming bigger. Now the thing that made me laugh, like Frankie last week. Oh, it just come off. Okay. We get a food. We have nachos. Moon nachos. So that's cool. Okay. I think she's worth it. She is worth it. I'm thoroughly impressed with Clawdeen for the Monster Fest line. Love her. I got mine from Smith's. I get most of my stuff from Smith's. That's where the majority of stuff comes out at the moment. I think they're still available as well. So I would say go get them, because they're getting better. The Monster High dolls are definitely improving. With every release that they get, they are getting better. This is a standard that should be upheld. This is a standard. Okay, guys, what do you think? Did you get her? Are you going to get the full line? Are you thinking about getting her? I personally think you should go out and get the Clawdeen. I think she's worth the money. Even for children, adults, gifts, anything. This one. Anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, and we will keep growing. I will see you next week. Bye.